everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, and as I stated before in my previous videos, I will only do videos during the holiday season. You know, October happens to be one of my favorite months to decorate because of Halloween. Yes, I do love decorating for Halloween. Not so scary part, but the fun part of Halloween. I like giving out candy, and I also like wearing a costume. I just got back from Dollar Tree. You know, I wanted to find some Halloween items, and Dollar Tree has gotten expensive. I purchased one item that was $7. I'm used to the $1 price, but anyways, I purchased a few items, and I'll show you the first item I purchased, starting with these, I guess, little fall decor items in the bag. I think this was $1.50, I think. And also I purchased some I purchased some LED votive candles, and I will use those inside of my candle holders. And I think most of my items are $1.50. Might have one or two items that cost a little more. I purchased these candle faux lights, and they are very pretty. Nice color for the fall. I probably will use them on my cabinet behind me. Yes, I will decorate my cabinet. We'll set it up in a Octoween style, and it has a theme. It will be called Eden. And this item I purchased was $3. I like the snake around it, even though I'm not a big fan of snakes, but I purchased it for my theme for Octoween. And I purchased these two, excuse me, here. I purchased, what is this? This is a stackable wine holder. I purchased two of them. I think they were $1.50. I also purchased this beautiful decor item. I will use this on my coffee table. And I believe that also, well, this right here said $1.25. So I will use that on my coffee table. I purchased these previously from, I purchased these I think a couple years ago from Dollar Tree. These little tea light holders shaped like hands. I added some rings on them, and I will use them part of my theme for Octoween. I'm not going to say Halloween, I'll say Octoween. And I will use those. And I purchased these, I guess this is a shaker, and it has a snake around it. And I believe this was also $1.50. And I also purchased these two, I guess, wine glasses, plastic, of course. They have snakes around them. I don't know if I will use them in my on my cabinet. I also purchased this little decor item. It says family on it. I think this also was, actually this was $1.25. I purchased this pumpkin, and this was also $1.25. It has a lid on it, so you could probably put little candies inside of it. Oops. I probably use this in my fireplace. It's entertainment center, so you can put little candies inside, and I thought that was very pretty. And let's see what else here. And these I also purchased, and these were actually $1.25, I guess. Still had the price tag on it, even though most of the items now are $1.50 and above. And this is a LED pillar candle, and I can, oops, I didn't. Anyways, I will check this out a little further. And I'm going to do a DIY. Well, I probably will not show you guys how I did it, but I will be doing a DIY using these. And I got these from Amazon a while back. These little, they're like decals. You can stick them on the wall. It has a stick thing on the back, and I will use those in a DIY. Actually, I'll use them on my wall behind my cabinet. And I purchased these butterfly stickers from Dollar Tree as well. I will use them on my DIY project. This right here, I think I found a while ago from the thrift store. It's like a canvas type sketchbook, and I'm going to use it looks like a frame, and I thought they were pretty nice to use as part of my DIY. And I think that is it for the DIY, so I hope you guys stick around to see how my cabinet turned out, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. I placed the DIY signs I did on the wall. I hope you guys like them. And now I'm going to add the rest of the items to my cabinet for October. And let's start off with this. These are all books I found on Shop My Home for items. Okay. Item I purchased from the thrift store as well. I added faux fingernails onto her fingers.